Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add Linktree to LinkedIn. First of all, open up the Linktree app. Then go into Links. From here, you can find the links you created, then tap on Share icon from the top. Click on the Share icon and copy the link from there. Then open up the LinkedIn app and tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Tap to view your profile from here and click to edit it. Scroll down in your profile and tap on Edit Contact Info. Then click to add a website and paste the link in the website URL. After adding the link, click to save it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.